Welcome to the Social Autopost overview. To access this tool, you're going to go to the top of the page. You're going to go to Email and Engage and click on Social Autopost app. Once you've clicked on it, you're going to get to a page looking like this. Now, the Social Autopost tool is an amazing tool because you will be able to schedule your posts in advance on various social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. But before you can use this tool, you will need to connect your accounts by clicking on either the New Account button right here or on the left-hand side, Accounts. Just follow the instructions, click Save, and once it's connected, you will see a number appears under the Pages area right here for each tool. Once you start creating and scheduling posts, you will see it all on the calendar below. You will be able to sort it by day, month, week, as well as by accounts and all pages. Another great feature that we have in this area here is the function to create groups. If I click on Post Groups, you can see we already have a few samples created. This will enable you to schedule a group of emails to a specific account to automatically post according to the rules that you've set in that group. You can also create one post at a time by clicking on the one that says New Post here on the left. If any of your posts was unsuccessful due to a social media error, it's going to appear in this area right here. And that is all for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in another.